In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to guide yourself through fixing a disabled Gmail account using Google. Gmail is an integral part of daily life for many. It's where we receive important emails, communicate with others, and often manage various accounts. Finding your account disabled can be quite alarming, but don't worry. I'm here to assist you every step of the way to getting back into your Gmail account smoothly and efficiently. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and navigate to Google. In the search bar, type "How to fix disabled Gmail account." This search will point you towards Google's official help articles and forums, which are specifically designed to guide users like you through the process. The first result you should see will typically direct you to Google's support page. Go ahead and click on it. Once you're on the support page, you'll arrive at a more detailed resource filled with instructions and troubleshooting tips that Google provides. This page will give you context on why your account might have been disabled. Some common reasons include suspicious activity or violations of Google's policies. Knowing the reason can help you rectify any potential issues and avoid future occurrences. You'll find a prompt or a section explaining the process to recover your account. Follow these instructions carefully and make sure you read each step thoroughly. To confirm your identity, Google might ask you to answer security questions or use a phone number or email associated with your account. Have this information handy to verify your identity quickly. If you face any difficulties or if the automated process doesn't resolve the issue, the support page will also provide you with additional methods to contact Google support directly. You might have the option to submit an appeal for your account reactivation. This involves a form where you'll detail your request for review, explaining your situation. Take your time to be clear and concise in your appeal, as this is your opportunity to fully communicate the circumstances regarding your account. While Google's recovery process can be mostly straightforward, remember that it might require some patience. Account reviews can take a little time. Meanwhile, ensure you're checking your alternate contact information regularly for updates from Google about your account status. Lastly, after your account is recovered, it's a good idea to secure it further. Consider changing your password to something strong and unique. Enabling two-factor authentication will add an additional layer of security, which can be a great preventative measure against potential issues in the future. And there you have it. You've navigated through fixing a disabled Gmail account with a little help from Google's resources. I hope this walkthrough helped clarify the steps and provided you with the confidence to handle this process smoothly. Keep these tips in mind to aid in protecting your account going forward. Thanks for watching, and I wish you all the best in regaining full access to your Gmail account.